Images will improve the overall look of your document, but they can often also be a little problematic when you're trying to get them to do what you want them to do. To get through these problems, we need to know some troubleshooting ideas. This includes understanding how to wrap our images around text and how to align our images in a document. To begin, you need to have an image inserted and you need to have text around it. You should click on the image and then find the Picture Format tab. Next, find the Wrap Text option and select it so the drop-down appears. It's best now if you hover your mouse over the different options. This will show you how the different options will appear. For example, the default option is to have text wrapped in line with text. This places the image on a certain line and text will continue to run from the bottom of that image. The next options are square and tight. These act in a similar fashion and they put the text around the image. The difference being tight will be closer packed. If you select top and bottom, text will go above and below your image only. It will not be on the left or the right. You can also choose if you want your image to go behind the text or in front of the text. Hover over those options to show it in action. If you've just inserted an image and it's not allowing you to drag or drop or move it around the page how you want it to, it's best that you select Wrap Text and then select Square, Tight or Through. You'll then be able to move your image around the page. Note though that the text will move with it. You need to spend some time working out what is the best option for you in terms of where you're putting your image and where you want your text aligned. Sometimes we might have multiple images on a page, or we might have multiple shapes on top of each other. You might want one image to be on the top or be behind. To choose this, you need to use the Bring Forward or the Send Backward option. After you've inserted your images or shapes or element, click on the image and change the text wrapping. It doesn't matter what you wrap it to as long as it's not in line with text. Then select the picture and you'll see that the Bring Forward and the Send Backward option are available. You can then click on this to send the picture forward or backwards, or you can click the drop down and you'll be able to bring it to the front or bring it right to the back. How you do this is all dependent on the document you're working on, the images that you're using, and how you want them aligned.